Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make delicious homemade sour cream using just 3 simple ingredients. No special equipment, no preservatives, just rich, creamy sour cream made right in your kitchen. In a clean jar, start off with 1 cup of heavy cream. Add in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Give it a stir to mix. Then add a 1/4 cup of whole milk. Put the lid on and shake it. Remove the lid and cover with paper towel. Secure it with a rubber band. And I also like to put the ring on to hold it in place. But you don't have to. Leave it on the counter for 24 hours to set. This is 24 hours later. I'm going to remove the cover and give it a stir. And replace the lid and put it in the fridge to cool. It will thicken more as it cools. After cooling, this is what the sour cream looks like. Nice and thick and creamy. Perfect for all your cooking, baking, and keto recipes. That's it, homemade sour cream with no additives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've given this recipe a try. See you on the next one.